This video is a simulation of a meeting of creditors. It will help you see what a meeting is like. It is not legal advice. Your meeting may be different depending on your specific situation. The characters in the video are not real. They are played by actors.
This case is Abella Jones, 23-11977. Are any creditors present? There are no creditors appearing. Counsel provided me a copy of the driver's license, Colorado driver's license, and a photocopy of the Social Security card. The debtor's name and Social Security number on the driver's license and Social Security card match what was filed with the court. I'm looking at the image on the license right now, comparing that to Mrs. Jones' image on the screen, and I see that they do match. So we have confirmed identity. Mrs. Jones, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm under penalty of perjury that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Are you the individual whose name and address appear on the voluntary bankruptcy petition as the debtor?
Yes.
Please state your name.
Abella Jones.
James Lee, counsel for Abella Jones.
Thank you, Mrs. Jones. Your bankruptcy petition lists your address as 103 East Discovery Drive in Superior. Is that correct?
Yes.
I reviewed your bankruptcy documents that were filed with the bankruptcy court, the petition, the statement of financial affairs, and the declaration regarding schedules. Did you sign all of these bankruptcy documents before they were filed with the court?
Yes.
Did you carefully review the documents before you signed them?
Yes.
Are you personally familiar with all the information that's contained in the documents?
Yes.
To the best of your knowledge, is the information all true and correct?
Yes.
Did you list all of your assets and all of your debts?
Yes.
Are there any changes you'd like to make to the filing?
No.
Have you filed bankruptcy before?
No.
Have you read the bankruptcy information sheet that is posted on the U.S. trustee site? It's posted on the website under the consumer section.
Yes.
Do you owe anyone domestic support obligation like child support or alimony?
No.
I received copies of your 2022 state and federal tax returns. Are those true copies of the last returns you filed?
Yes.
Have you had any change to income or employment since the case was filed?
No.
So your employer is called Jolt Java Company.
Yes.
And your company is based in Austin, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the address of your employer?
1345 Canary Drive.
You intend to surrender the Jeep and retain the Toyota, is that correct?
Yes. The Jeep I was a co-signer on. The person that owns it is going to keep payments on it in my name. I'm surrendering my name off of the financial responsibility for it. And then I'm keeping the Toyota Prius and continuing payments.
On the first bank, so two things, I guess. Number one is I didn't get a copy of a savings account statement. I assume that's also at First Bank, is that right?
Yeah, First Bank should have the checking and savings. There really isn't anything in savings.
Well, I only asked because it looks like you were moving money between the accounts.
Yeah.
Is there any way you can?
I tried to move it all to First Bank checking, and then I pay my bills out of the First Bank checking.
Could you please give me a copy of the May savings account statement?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
I'm pulling it up now. Is there an email I can send it to?
You can send it to Mr. Lee, and he can send it on to me. But don't email it right now. Please discuss with Mr. Lee the best secure method for sending him the bank statement. You withdrew $2,000 on April 28th. It's like a week before the bankruptcy. Do you remember what you did with that money?
I gave it to the attorney to file bankruptcy.
So that was for attorney fees?
Yes.
Okay. Have you sold or transferred any assets of any value in the last 4 years?
No.
Does anyone owe you any money?
No.
Have you repaid any loan that you obtained from a family member in the last 2 years?
No.
Do you expect to receive any life insurance or inheritance in the next 6 months?
No.
Any wage garnishments this year?
No.
For the car that you are intending to keep, did you buy that in the last 6 months?
No.
Do you own any savings bonds, stock, oil and gas rights?
No.
Do you own any cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or any other digital assets such as NFTs or Venmo or PayPal balances?
No.
Okay, I have no further questions. Just get that savings account statement to Mr. Lee as soon as you can, and then that'll be the case wrapped up.
Okay. I'll check with him so that I can securely send it over.
Okay. All right, well, that's it for the questioning. Thank you both. Have a good day.
Thank you.